Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. I know it's been a minute. Glad to be back for the moment anyway. So guys, a couple weeks ago, we were out traveling out to Pikeville, Kentucky. Watched my nephew graduate from med school. Very exciting weekend. But I tell you what, we were eating out quite a bit. And on 3 different occasions, I ate the same type of burger. And it was so delicious. I wanted to come in here and give you my take on the bacon bourbon barbecue cheeseburger. It's a pretty big burger. It's a big half pounder. And I'm just going to do it out here on the gasser and see if we can make it taste even remotely close to what I had a couple weeks ago. Let's go. Hey guys, I just got a couple patty balls here. This is ground sirloin. I guess we call this a steak burger. I guess we can call it. Now this one here is about a half pound. I didn't weigh it. It's about half of the 1 pound package. This one here is slightly less than that. Maybe a good 1/3 pound. But I can't wait. I bet you can't guess which one's mine, the bigger one. But we're going to go ahead and give these a pre-smash before we put them out on the grill. That's all we're doing here. Looks delish. All right, guys. Go out and fire up the grill, and we'll get these guys on. Yes, I know this grill needs good cleaning, and it's coming soon. Let this bad boy heat up a little bit. Okay, I lost some audio here, so I'm going to try my hand at a little voiceover. So let's get these burgers on here, guys. Start out with my big half pounder there. Come on in with it's a little less than half pound burger. This is ground sirloin, by the way. And, we're going to get it on in here and get her going. I'm going to season this with some, with my friends at Grillaholics. That's their SPG plus smoke, which is actually a pretty good seasoning. I've come to love it a lot. I got a link down in the video description to Grillaholics, and I believe you'll get a 20% discount there. So get this on here, and we're going to let this cook for about, 5 minutes, 4 or 5 minutes, and give them a turn. Okay, it's been a few minutes here, and none of you see the juices pulling up there, and it's cooked up about halfway up the burger. That's when it's a good indication that it's time to turn this. So that's what we're doing here. Get it flipped over. We got some good grill marks on here. Gonna be a delicious burger, and gonna come back in with some more of that SPG plus smoke. And that's all we're doing here for now, guys. Okay, it's just been a few minutes here. I want to start this glazing process while these finish up the rest of the way. And I'm using the Stubbs. That's their bourbon barbecue. It is delicious. I've used it many times in the past. So we're going to do at least a couple coats up here on this. So can't wait to taste it. Get her in there and build this burger. Look at the goodness, guys. I think these guys are tipping out about 140, 145. Not quite 100% done. This might be a medium. I like to go a little bit further on my burgers. We're going to let them do it up top here, indirect heat. Cause I want to keep some of the juices in there, but I want to go a little bit further, more towards done. So in the meantime, I'm going to do another layer of sauce on here. This is that barbecue bourbon sauce from Stubbs. Delicious, guys. What can I say? And we're going to get some buns toasted up here. Get them on here and just let them go a couple minutes. Not going to take us very long. And just get a few little light grill marks on these buns. Here we go. I'll edit out the long term of this and just cut out a little bit. Get them off here. And go inside and build us a burger, man. There we go. Could use a little bit more, but that's okay. That's okay. All right, now it is time for the cheese. I've got 4 slices of pepper jack cheese, and I'm gonna get 2 slices per burger on here. We can't hold back on the pepper jack. It's just gonna bring out the barbecue, bring out the onions, everything we're doing here. It's gonna be delicious, guys. Cannot wait to get this in there and build this burger. From here, we're just, I'm going to turn the heat off altogether and just let the heat, as it cools down, melt that cheese, and then we'll get them off. Here we are, guys. It's time. It's been a couple minutes under there melting. Get the burgers inside, and let's go build a burger. And I think we get our audio back. All right, let's come here and build this. Never mind I could have left that on the grill a little bit longer, toasted a little bit more, but hey, come in here. Build this burger with a little barbecue sauce. This is that bourbon. It got warm out there, guys. To wipe my brow. Barbecue sauce on the bottom and the top. Come in here, a piece of lettuce. Marvelous. Come in here with a big old half-pound burger. I'm excited about that. That is some leftover bacon from this morning. Yes, I did that on purpose. Marvelous right there. These are some of those Frisch's crispy fried onions. I'll throw some of them right on top of there. It's gonna get messy, I know. We're drizzling some more barbecue sauce right on top of that. Now we're just going to top that burger. Did you look at that? Did you look at that? I cannot wait to get a bite of that. Tell you what, it got a little warm out there. I think it's probably the warmest day of the year so far. Considering it's still just May, it's going to get even hotter. Guys, I would cut this in half for you, but I'm scared it's going to fall apart on me. So I'm just going to come in here and get a big old bite right here. That is incredibly messy. That is incredibly tasty. The bacon, those little crispy fries. One more bite for you. That is so good. Push that down. Wow. It's giving those other 3 burgers I had over a couple weeks ago a run for their money. I will say that. I ain't gonna say it's better. I won't say probably just as good. How about that? Guys, thank you so much. Thank you as always. Good to be back out here videoing again. I'm gonna try to keep them going as much as I can. Things are happening, but we're gonna be on here as often as we can. So guys, again, thank you. Please, help us out here. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And guys, we will see you back on the next video. God bless you, folks. Bye-bye. Cheers to you.